Hi friends, 2026 is here and DevOps salaries are exploded due to high demand of DevOps roles. So today I am on a mission to find the highest paying DevOps role for 2026. So guys, stay with me till then because I have added a powerful bonus segment that will increase your chances of getting hired in these roles. So let's start our journey. The tech world is evolving faster than ever, and DevOps, it's no longer just developers plus operations. So let's check out what DevOps really means in 2026. In 2026, DevOps means AI driven pipelines, autonomous remediation, cloud native platform teams, security builds into every deploy, system that heals themselves. These are some characteristics that requires in a DevOps role in 2026. Companies want engineers who can deliver software faster, safer, and smarter. Demand is insane. Every industry, finance, gaming, SaaS, healthcare, defense, any industry is desperate for talent. But here's the real challenge. The DevOps job market is changing every 3 to 4 months. What was high paying in 2024 is outdated now. Skills that were optional before, now they are mandatory. DevOps roles are evolving and its ecosystem has split into specialized power roles. So let's talk about this. So, one is DevOps engineer. They are the person who build ultra fast delivery pipelines using AI to automate everything from testing to deployments. Next, we have SRE. Okay, so these are the guardians of server uptime who uses automation and engineering to keep systems reliable at massive scale. So no failure can break down your applications. Third, we have DevSecOps engineer. These are the security enforcers who embedded zero trust defense directly into every step of the CI/CD pipelines. Next, we have platform engineers. They are the creator of internal platforms that gives developers one-click tool to ship features faster and safer. Next, we have cloud engineers. These are the person who are a specialist with cloud and their task is to design and manage apps across multiple clouds for peak performance and low cost. Now let's look on the salary trend. You can pause this video or take a snap of this. This will give you a clear idea which role is getting the highest salary in the current market. Before we go ahead, let me give you a disclaimer. All these salaries are based on the publicly available data taken from some platform like Glassdoor, MBCS, Indeed. Okay, so actual salaries maybe vary by company to company, city or the experience you have and as per the market demands. So you can use these figures as a general guidance, not the exact benchmarks. In this section, we will talk about DevOps skill that will make you unstoppable in 2026. So let's check out. So skill number one is AI driven automation and why it matters. because team will expect DevOps engineers to reduce their toil 100x faster using AI tools. Skill 2, platform engineering. And it matters because platform engineers will replace traditional DevOps in many organizations by 2026. Third, we have event-driven architectures. And it matters because modern SRE DevOps must build reactive, scalable pipelines, not just as regular CI/CD pipelines. Skill 4, we have security automation. And why it matters? Because security becomes a KPI for DevOps role in 2026. Let's summarize this video with three important points. First, DevOps is evolving fast, and 2026 highest paying role demands advanced skill across cloud, AI, and platform engineering. Second, cloud architect, platform engineers, and AI powered DevOps roles will dominate highest salaries. And last is to stay ahead in 2026, DevOps engineer must up a skill in AI automation, Kubernetes, multi-cloud, and security-driven workflows. So tell me, which DevOps role are you aiming for 2026? Drop it in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. So keep learning, keep watching DevOps World.